Hey, what's going on? Good morning, everybody. We are live.
Welcome to another episode of Two Boring Old Guys Trying to Make Money.
We have nobody watching currently, but that's all good.
Yes. No pressure then.
That's how we
what that
usually
is. It's no
like it in
pressure.
the morning. Yeah, no pressure.
No pressure to do anything entertaining or insightful or anything like that first thing in the morning.
Oh, we got one. I was looking at the market here, sort of like 10 p.m. ish my time last night, and I was like, "Damn, we've gone up so much." It's like can't really go long, can't really go short here. I don't know what the heck it's gonna do, and then sure enough, it just went higher. So
When in doubt, the markets always go higher.
yeah. So
Gold's had a little bit of a pullback in the overnight.
okay,
It went up and then promptly went down.
wow, yeah. Previous day high is a pretty key level, looks like, on gold, which is sort of 43.85.
High from the December 30th is up at 44.20. I don't know if I should be doing anything right now. In fact, I know I shouldn't be doing anything now other than managing this YM long I'm in from the pre-market.
Yeah.
Anything good happened last night with you?
Not much. I took one tiny trade, ended up dragging my stop slightly in the money, and then it stopped me out, and I was like, yeah, that's enough for me. So
In the money is better than out of the money.
for sure.
I don't think I'm gonna have enough coffee to last me the day today.
No.
Oh, this being sick nonsense is got me down.
Yeah, you're kind of feeling sick a bit again.
Yep.
Too bad. Yeah, I felt like I kind of got sick again, but it didn't really stick this time. Probably because maybe it was the same like flu or whatever that I had originally. So I think my body was able to sort of stop it. But yeah.
Yeah, there's a nasty flu going around everywhere right now. So
Yeah.
my son's got it. He's in Mexico. I got it. I'm here.
Hey, Johan. Good morning. Happy New Year.
Good morning, Johan.
So we got about 3.5 minutes here, 3 minutes till the opening bell. I was looking at the news yesterday. I didn't really see much going on, just some like Canadian manufacturing, Italian manufacturing, French manufacturing. So a whole lot of stuff that's not really going to do, much to the market. We do have actually S&P manufacturing PMI at
What is that?
945.
New
US.
York time or Canadian time?
Yeah, that's New York. US S&P manufacturing PMI final is at 945.
So I just pulled up take profit. There's no restriction for today on them if you're trading take profit trader.
That is like, it's not a lightning bolt. Like normally it's like a red lightning bolt if it's a high impact. So it's kind of like, I guess it's like a medium high impact. It's still a red circle, but
Asian report. Kospi starts the year with new record highs. U.S. equity funds close 2025 on a strong note. Global markets rise and buoyant start to trading. All right. That's all the news I got.
all right. What do we got? 1 minute left here.
I think today is going to be a small, tight day.
Well, you got to wonder how many people will be sort of repositioning.
Yeah. Watch the market just rips your face off and goes through the roof.
Yeah. Gotta start the new year off right. Let's buy.
Buy gold, buy gold.
All right. What do we got? 10 seconds there. We're live, I think, right now. Dow pulled back here at the gate.
Dow pulled back. I'm going back up. Let's go with that.
What a wick.
That was a wick.
90 back up to 50. So like 60-point wick. It's like that. NQES popping up. Dow's looking bearish. It's a no news Monday, so let's see if we can't start forming a bunch of like small candles, but bullish ones. That'd be interesting. Then we can potentially hold along.
YM.
Yeah, why I'm thanking for some reason.
So I got stopped out in profit on my YM long. It's now in a short because it reversed my position.
Oh.
So
Oh.
So that happened.
Damn, look at that thing. That's quite the move lower. 100 points lower now. More. 110 points lower.
Wow. It's quite the move.
Yeah. Oh, ES and NQ just turned around. Like, just turned right around. So YM there found some support down at 48,333, which is kind of I think it's pre-market or the low of yesterday almost. We're almost touching low of yesterday. Low of yesterday was 315, 48,315. There we go. There it hit. It broke the pre-market yesterday's low, previous day low. ES looking heavy.
Broke yesterday's low. I am now up $121 per account on
Nice.
YM short. Feel like I should cut this, but at the same time, it's not giving me any reason to yet.
Yeah, it just keeps pushing lower. Like it blew right through it. What is it? Wow, 50, 60 points through previous day low now. Holy shit. Savage. ES is starting to bounce. NQ's back to the opening price.
Pulling my stop into profit.
Pushing lower here.
Jeez.
Just broke the low again.
Locking in a little more profit here. Check this book map and see what's going on with, whoa. YM's got orders above and below in relatively large amounts. It's looking like it's going to be a downtrend day for YM.
Yeah.
I think I'm just going to leave this on and let it go. Up $200 per account on 2 micros and YM on a short.
That's beautiful.
So if it comes up and hits my take profit, I'm okay with that.
Well, it's ES isn't the same.
ES just ripping higher.
I just took I took a short there. It was sort of holding at the lows there, and it just bounced right up and took me out. So
Yeah, ES has got 221 orders at 69.15 right now. Excuse me.
yeah,
YM's got more orders underneath it. 40 orders on the micros down at 48,200 and 48,200. It looks like YM's going to pull down again.
yeah. It looks like it's kind of rolling over a bit there.
Kind of wondering where we're going to find support on this. It's going to be that previous day's low, previous week's low.
Yeah, wonder where that's gonna go. Is there even a level? This hasn't been a level for quite a while. They have sort of 48, 145 ish, 130 is like the lows of pre-market from December 18th. Now ES is going lower, of course, after it bounced up to stop me out.
Great.
Maybe my stop was a little too tight on that one, but yeah, I cut it at $100 down. So 4 micros.
YM
We got a lot of
all those
space
orders underneath.
Yeah, we got a lot of space to make this higher low on ES.
Yes. Now, are you trading micros or minis today?
Micros, yeah.
So on the micros, I see a bunch of orders at 69.10. So you still got 3 points to go down on that one. YM is still pushing down. I was going to wait for a little pullback on this to add to it, but I don't think I'm going to.
Yeah, it's not
I think
really
we
giving
get that
you
chance.
pullback. Hey Keith, good morning, and Zar, happy 2026, guys. Good morning, Zar. Also,
Good morning, guys. How you doing?
US manufacturing PMI here in 4 minutes. 3 minutes.
Could this be that little pullback I was looking for? No, never mind. All right. I just added 2 to my 2 micros. Created another bearish fair value gap. Bottom of it's at 165.10.
So I went short there on that also, just for a moment, and I had 5 contracts queued up because it's take profit trader.
Okay.
And it disconnected my copy trading, so it took all 5 contracts on one
Oh
trade.
no.
Minis, but I just closed it right away and I made $40. So,
all right.
But that was like an oh shit moment for a second there. I'm like, nope.
Do not like those oh shit moments.
Yeah, because like I have the 5 accounts, so you need to do it in orders of 5. So I had it set to 5. And then...
Yeah, I've done that more than once.
So when I saw the like, the order saying 5 on the screen, it should normally only say 1. I knew right away. I was like, oh damn, like this should only be a 1 contract.
Oh damn, Sparky, I went and mussed up.
Yeah. Now ES is popping, NQ's popping.
Move my stop loss down a little bit into this short. I can't even believe this nonsense.
Yeah, that thing's just going lower and lower and lower. Erased overnight move and then some, like double the overnight move.
Yeah, by quite a bit. Okay, I'm only in with. What's that?
10 seconds until that news, that manufacturing PMI. It's exactly the number that they thought it was going to be. So no beat, no whatever.
And managing this trade has got me a little itchy.
Yeah.
Yeah. But it looks like I'm going to stay in it for a little longer. Jeez.
NQ's looking pretty bullish. Bouncing up towards a previous day high.
Yeah, we're still loading up more orders below on YM.
Yeah, YM's just still looking so heavy there. Jeez. Making new lows. Again.
Good tortilla, man. So I'm
Gold and
locking
silver since
in.
COMEX Open has been fun on shorts.
Wait, what was that?
Czar said gold and silver since COMEX Open have been fun on the shorts.
Oh, I imagine. So I just locked in 250 per account.
Very nice. Whoa, NQ is just ripping right now. Ripped past the highs.
No kidding.
Yeah. ES is now bouncing up really good too.
YM just printed a bunch of orders up above the current price. Still holding it, just bounce off that bearish fair value gap. See if it continues down. If it comes up to 212, I'm out.
I just jumped in the long on the YM here. I'm trailing up. I'm up 145 and 5 accounts. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Locking in some.
I am out of that.
175, 48, 175. Gonna lock it in at 41.90 now. Up 180. Might get stopped out if we pull back any further. Oh, making more. 200. We're at 200 now.
You said you're in a YM long?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm out there. So 155 with 5 take profit trader accounts.
Good deal.
Yeah, I was patient there trying to wait for, after I see NQ, ES, and NQ looking so strong, and then that was the first green candle on YM since since you've been in the trade.
Wow. That was a whole lot of down movement. But I did $210 on 50 accounts. So
damn. 10 grand.
Yep.
The benefits of copy trading. Not to say, I mean, that was still a really good trade. So, like, not to take away from the trade at all, but like a nice $200 winner is a hell of a lot more when you got 50 accounts.
Yeah.
And to make a $200 winner, it's not like mentally taxing. It's not, you're not over leveraging. You're not,
Yeah, I started that trade with 2 micros. I added 2 micros to it, and it just kept on going.
Yeah. NQ just keeps going higher here. What do we got above? I don't even know what to target above. Oh, wow. What a slap higher there, NQ. Jeez, man.
Yeah, it looks like YM's going higher now, too. All the orders underneath the current price on YM just disappeared. But it is coming up toward that channel. Be up.
Damn. Well, I got another stop out there, unfortunately, in my top one futures account. So, not going to be able to touch this account anymore.
Did you get a max daily loss limit?
No, not quite. Down 250. Little too impulsive on that buy there, actually. So I shouldn't have been in that trade.
Wow, gold shorts are looking good right now too.
I feel like both of my trades actually were a little too impulsive. Those two on the top in this account. Oh, I am still going higher, eh? Damn.
Yeah, it's toying around with New York VWAP though.
Oh yeah, right there, eh?
Just keeps tickling it. I'm tempted to get into a gold short here. Wow.
Yeah, gold's been heavy.
Short. Locking in 40 bucks in profit.
Nice. Hey, protect your neck is Luke. Luke, I think. It's been a minute.
I took my 40 bucks. That was it. All right, YM pushed through New York pretty hard. 20 points above.
I've been late running around shopping. It's my son's birthday party tomorrow. Okay. Hey, morning, Darren.
Happy birthday.
Luke's got a call on SPY right now.
Had him in another gold short here. We got $1,000 in risk.
In a cash account, or?
Yeah. I wouldn't risk $1,000 in a prop account. That would be silliness. YM is just ripping up through that, or up past that VWAP. It's looking like YM's going top to bottom,
Yes.
bottom to top today.
Yeah. ES has swept both UK high and low. Darren said.
Lock in $300 in profit on my gold trade here.
Well, not good. Took another L there on the NQ.
So is it time to just slow it down, take a step back, and
Yeah, I shouldn't be probably shouldn't be trading NQ right now.
Too volatile. Let it
I'm just
let it shake out a little bit.
Aren't very I don't have the space to give it in my strategies. Trade gold today.
It's not a bad idea. Damn. Gold shorts are looking pretty good for me right now. Locked in another 150 on my gold short.
Nice.
Now YM is looking like it's pushing up through that midnight VWAP as well.
Oh wow, yeah. What a move. What a recovery. But this might be the area where it decides to turn. It's right in the middle of that big bearish fair value gap.
I'm not touching it. I'm just saying it.
Now, of course, what now NQ's going. Of course. Had my TP had some orders set to exactly where it is right now. So it would have been out of that trade. Part of it, anyways.
Still liking my short position on gold.
Look at NQ now. Damn it, man. What a piss off. I was right position, just pulled back a little further than I was expecting. And that took that account out with a max daily loss. Because I was already down.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, I was down 250 already, right? So when it pulled back, it hit me another $200 down, and then kicked me out of the trade. So that was just my one single 50 top one futures 50K account. Smaller positions, wider stops. Yeah.
Those are wise words from the comments.
Dow was good earlier. Gold's been great. Hope we flush a little harder to the downside.
Yeah, I'm looking at 43.44 on my gold short for a potential take profit. Hey. Stop going up, gold. Do what you're supposed to do and go down.
IM's popping up still.
Gold's still dropping. YM's popping up.
Gold 10 lower still. Oh, wow.
Yep.
Yeah.
Locking in 2,000 in profit on this one.
Damn.
Oh, I'm sorry, 1,000 in profit. I did the math wrong in my head. I'm only in one mini.
Johan made 500 on gold. Nice. Happy New Year.
Awesome. Yeah, looking at the 15-minute chart on gold, it's just not looking like it's doing too well. Still looking really heavy on the book map underneath us for gold too.
A little bit of bounce there on gold to the value area high.
So what does that mean for my short?
Well, this could be a good rejection point, I would say, in this bounce.
Here's hoping.
Sort of like, that would be Friday's VWAP, or no, Friday, Wednesday's VWAP, or Tuesday's VWAP, actually. Right there also.
On gold, we got a bunch of orders at 43.61. We got 302 orders down at 43.50 and thereabouts.
Okay.
All right, there's my $1,000 on my gold trade.
Nice trade.
Thank you.
He's up
Came up and
311, locked out. Thanks, gold. Everyone's trading gold this morning, eh?
Man, it's just going downhill. And another gold short I'm in.
Nice.
I'm locking in $100. Oh shit. Locking in $500.
Very nice breakdown there. After that green candle, I thought that we were going to get a little bit more of a bounce, or I would have joined you in that. And then
oh no, I was looking at the book map orders on it.
Yeah,
for confirmation on that one. All right, we're hitting low a day. I'm out.
good call. There you go.
Not too bad. Another 1,500 on a cash account. So
Very nice.
much for keeping it small and tight today. Jeez.
Czar said, I'm done trading gold. Just got stopped out. Break even day one complete. Nice.
All right. Oh. Johan made 500 on gold. Hell
yeah.
Smaller positions, wider stops, don't trail. Yeah, no. I don't, well, I don't put an automatic trailer on any trades because it just has never worked for me.
Yeah.
It's like YM's pushing back down through the VWAPs again. Sitting on a 3-minute bullish fair value gap at 302. A little bit of a rejection off of that.
There we go. ES is taking out right at the lows right now.
YM starting to turn around too. It's sitting in that channel between New York and midnight or previous day's VWAP. Still looking pretty bearish though. Got a big fair value gap up above it and a couple of little ones below it. Gold's still looking heavy. I'm gonna wait for a little bit of a pullback and see if I can do another short on gold. But in the meantime, I'm gonna go get some tea because Are you looking at ES right now?
Yeah, I got ES up on the chart right now.
Got 200 orders up at 198. And then another 200 down at 6903. YM's got a bunch of orders up above it. And nothing to speak of below.
Darren's long ES. Pray for me. Oh wow, yeah. Buying the low here, I guess. Or maybe you're in a little bit earlier and small size. Let it bounce here. Let it bounce.
Yeah, there's my gold short.
Long from 69.15.
Locking in $100. And okay, made $100. All right, I'm serious now. It's tea time.
I'm in a why I'm short here, guys. Trailing my stop down. My 4 lucid accounts. Being pretty aggressive here. Up 260, 270. I'm in 2 minis. Might get stopped out here if we bounce. Come on, keep going lower. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going, boys. Yeah, 315, 315, 350. There we go. All right, 297 in my 4 lucid accounts. That was beautiful. Those are my 4 funded accounts. So just broke 2,000 in that. I'm only $70 away from removing the buffer on the lucid accounts. Beautiful. The loss just got refunded. I don't know. I should just stick to YM. Seems like anytime I trade NQ or even ES after New York Open, I always seem to take losses. I don't know what it is. Must be my stop sizes usually. Yeah, so up 1,300 now on the day after, including this 450 loss in my Top One Futures account. Well, still going on YM, guys. Could have been in, could have doubled or tripled that win. Wow, NQ, guys. NQ is just getting obliterated at the moment.
So is YM.
I just made 297 on YM in 4 funded accounts.
Nice.
Yeah. So got back the shitty loss on the ES and the NQ from my other account. Well, in a different accounts, but so that account's I'm $70 away from the buffer now on that direct account, that funded account. So
Take it slow.
yeah.
Just keep doing what you're doing. Killing it.
NQ just got murdered there. Be right back. Gotta go pack some stuff away. Like, oh, I guess it's probably wrapping gifts for your son, Darren.
Tempted to take an ES long on my degenerate account just for shits and giggles.
Just to see if you're gonna get a bounce here.
I'm not going to, but
Yeah. Previous day low. What a dive there on all of them, hey? Still got some room to the bottom side on YM. So Austin's trading a pre-live market or pre-live account.
yeah, top one is doing a thing where before they put anybody into a live account, they do a pre-live account now.
Yeah, to prove that you're not just gonna blow the live account.
Yep.
Yeah, because I think Zach Boyajian also has that. He's got like the pre-live account.
Well, I should have taken that long on ES.
Popping up, eh?
A little bit.
6 points since the low, sort of. 6-7 points.
Not into it.
Yeah, lots of bearish fair value gaps on the upside there. So probably better to just try to short one of those.
Yeah.
But then again, you've also had such a good morning. Maybe you don't really need to take any more trades.
I'm not. Honestly, I'm not.
It's gonna have to look real good, right? Well, I'm not gonna touch any of my copy trade accounts anymore. That's for sure.
No, I wouldn't.
would be nice to put a little bit more in my TPT accounts. I still got quite a ways to go on those. They're up 780.85. So I got to get them to the 3,000 before the month runs out. That's the one thing I don't really like about those, that pressure. That pressure of passing those accounts in a month.
There's no pressure there. You can hold them for an extra month.
Just got to pay the fees again, right?
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Yeah. So, and it's 5 accounts, and I think it's around $100, so 500 US. So if I can nice and slowly get my Lucid, I have the one leading account up to 52,600. I could withdraw 500 from that. So I think I told you, but I started a corporation for trading, right?
Yeah.
But now I got to go back and see if the prop firms will allow me to put it in the corporation, like put the accounts in the corporation.
They will.
I'm actually gonna, now that I'm thinking of that, I'm just gonna open a ticket here with them, just to like ask them that question.
So if you go through Lucid, Apex, whatever, they all allow trading through a separate legal entity.
Yeah, it's just cleaner for taxes, right? Where you can have everything going into one, in and out of one account. Then it's just like easy to like take it to your account, and you don't have to spend, you know, big bunch of money on that. And then yeah, and then you can also pay yourself out of that, right?
Yeah, you have to. I mean, if you want to have it tax advantaged, you should.
And the whole, like I said, the whole, like similar to like you, is the whole plan is to take those payouts and put them into a cash account, and then that's when having that corp is really gonna benefit it, right? Because you can just keep the money in there, and
it makes a really big difference when you do that.
Yeah, and just keep piling it up in the corporation, so it's not personal income.
Submitted.
So there's a guy on ASFX named Joseph. I guess he's just, you know, somebody that's subscribed to the stream. He goes, tried to get long at 23 based off the bullish double distribution and VWAP tap with previous day point of control and overnight value area low, but sized way down because I felt it would also suck back at the bottom, which it did. And Austin's like, don't take this the wrong way, but too complicated, bro. Too complicated.
Yeah. I only understood about a third of that, so.
Yeah, exactly. So NQ just kind of holding this low here. Looking like it's trying to pop up a bit. Probably just to make a new a lower high. We got a couple bearish fair value gaps above on the 5.
YM's about to hit a small bearish fair value gap.
I was eyeballing along there, but we still had it. We still had that bearish fair value gap above on YM, but
Submitted.
oh, my coffee's cold.
My tea is nice and hot. Brought to you by Braun Electric Kettles. Takes way less time than putting it on a stovetop. It looks like ES is starting to move up quite a bit.
Zach Barajan went long on YM pretty early there, and it, and when it ripped down, it just ripped straight to a stop there. So he took a pretty big loss, I think, on the first trade of the year, down 967.
Yeah, Boyajian's is good at what he does. I'm not concerned for him.
Oh yeah. Sometimes your system is just wrong. It doesn't work that time. So
It's not that the system's wrong. It's just sometimes the market does the most unexpected stuff at the most inopportune times.
yeah.
You can take a perfect setup and
Still
have it
fails.
just completely go against you.
Yeah.
I've done it at least, I don't know, 1,000 times.
How's gold looking?
What's that?
Gold's looking like it still wants to go a bit lower, hey? I mean, it's bouncing a bit currently,
But not enough to really.
43.22 would be value area low.
There's 304 orders down at 42. There's 302 orders up at 60. And it's right in the middle of that range. So I'm not doing anything right now. YM's looking like it's pulling back up.
Still could be a lower high, but yeah, definitely bouncing pretty good. Volume has been increasing in the last 2 5-minute candles before that one.
It just created a bearish fair value gap. So again, not getting into anything stupid right now.
Yeah, there's kind of like two in a row there, right? We had the initial big bearish fair value gap, and then it printed another one on the second leg lower, or the second time it pushed lower, and then now the price is like sitting in both of those bearish fair value gaps.
All right, I'm in another gold short here. Locking in $50. Okay, I made $50. That was quick.
No complaints though. That's
that was fast.
very fast $50. It decided that $50 was all you're getting on this one. So.
Yep, that was it. Switch over to micros here.
$50 is $50.
I mean, yeah, I'm not going to complain about making $50.
Especially in what, 10, 15 seconds?
Yeah, if that.
Yeah.
All right. Try this again. Gold short. 3 micros.
There's back.
I am putting $48 in the rest of this.
Okay, well, NQ inverted that 5-minute bearish fair value gap there. So maybe NQ is going to try to push back up to the point of control. See if they get a bit of a pullback into this fair value gap here.
Well, that was my one losing trade of the day. Just lost $48.
Ooh. Gave back the 50 that you made earlier.
Hey, I kept 2 of that.
Okay, yeah, sorry. So we have about 8 people in YouTube, 7 in my YouTube, 1 in yours, and then 3 in X total. Welcome, everybody. Thank you for tuning in. Darren, did you go wrap gifts for your son? Is that what you were doing? Said you got to pack some things. But I don't know if that means you're wrapping gifts.
Or are you taking a trip?
Got to go pack some stuff away, is what he said. I was like, I know sometimes people, when they're talking about wrapping gifts, they say pack the gifts. That's why I asked. Pack groceries in the fridge and cupboards. Oh, okay, gotcha. Sounds like the cupboards are pretty full if you got to pack it in there. No.
Only in Canada do they say that.
Yeah. Canadia's got some weird languages.
Sure do, eh?
Getting into this next bearish fair value gap on NQ here. Right at the point of control.
Why I'm just erased a bearish fair value gap.
Be interesting to see what happens if YM can get above that wick at 48,408. Might see some continuation to the upside here, because we did, obviously we swept pretty low, and it's forming a pretty huge wick if you look at, a higher time frame.
Yeah, on the 3-minute, that's directly in the center of a bearish fair value gap.
Trade of 8 doesn't have 3-minute candles. It's at 1, 5, 15, 30, 1 hour a day. Oh, I guess there's custom time. Okay, so you can do custom time. 3-minute. There we go.
All right, I'm in my gold short, 6 micros. Ooh, wrong time to do it. Maybe.
Just starting a new 5-minute candle there.
Yeah, it's not looking good for me. Okay, it's looking a little better for me. Hey, I'm in profit. All right.
So I'm up 1,300 on the day, including that I think it was 470 total loss in my top one futures 50K.
All right.
So again, power of copy trading, right?
Yep.
Those smaller wins just stack up real fast. 100 and 110 in the 5 take profit traders, and then 300 in the 4 lucid accounts. YM printing money. I gotta stick to YM, man. this NQ and ES burned me today.
To the YM.
Oh, gold's looking like it's going in your favor now.
Yeah, I'm up $150.
Nice. Yeah, that's looking real good.
Is locked in 25. So you're talking about the power of copy trading?
Yeah.
A long time ago, back when I was younger, I figured out that if I take just very conservative trades, all right, I made my $50 there. Very conservative trades and end up with $200 in profit on average every day
Yeah.
across 50 accounts, that's $10,000 a day.
Yeah.
I'm okay with that. I don't
Heck
need
yeah.
to be the best trader in the world. I just need to pay my bills, right? So if you do $10,000 a day, you got 250 trading days in a year. It's what, $2.5 million?
Yeah. 250 times 10,000. Yeah. It's a lot of money.
Is my math correct there? And these gold shorts are really doing me well today.
So I was looking at taking a short there on NQ at that bearish fair value gap, and now we're heading lower in this right through this inverted fair value gap. Darren's short ES right now.
Watch that bounce on the VWAP there.
There's a VWAP. I don't on NQ?
Previous day.
My previous day VWAP is up at 602 on NQ.
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought you said YM.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, I see
Never mind.
the YM. Yeah.
Sorry.
But we're sitting in this bullish fair value gap there. Just erased it, I guess. I feel like it's chasing now, although look, whoa, still going lower. It's down 100 points already in that pullback since where I was eyeballing entering. And then got that message from, so I got to send them an email directly to the support to see if I can switch the name. Damn. Hey, Tim. Good morning, guys. Looks like I missed a good short on NQ earlier. Work got in the way. Yeah.
Pesky work.
I just missed a good short on NQ right now.
You can't catch them all.
No.
All right, I just locked in $63 on my 6 micro short on gold. It's $63.
Nice. 225 left on this candle. Johan just made a rookie mistake. Uh-oh.
What'd you do?
That's not good.
Share it with the
That
class.
doesn't sound good. On that short on NQ. You trailed too tight or something? I leaned toward buying rather than selling, and it took me a while to realize it.
Be like Dave and swing both ways.
Should have been ready with this one here.
And another gold short.
And another gold short. Nice.
Just on that little pullback there. Only 3 micros this time, so I don't know what that was.
0.5. You know, it's a new soundbite that I got in there.
Don't do that again. Wrong with you, Dave.
We got the gong. Well, YM is taking out that bouncing up towards the opening price now, guys.
IM's going up. Gold is still sinking.
NQ looks like it wants to go lower here. So we got previous day low down at 27. Oh, yeah, there we go. Took right through the low. Sheesh, man. So how much of a sell-off did we have here? We're already 170 points down on NQ from that initial bearish fair value gap I was eyeballing. So what's going on here with YM's its own beast today?
Yeah, it's not following the rules today.
Yeah. I've closed from negative 60 to plus 30 will remain flat unless something better presents. Oh, Keith is getting unloaded. Okay, see you later, Keith. So then Darren, $90 at 14.1 micro short. Seldom get 10-point trades. Nice. Nice trade, yeah. Damn, would have got to your final TP of only, well, $20 extra missed. You said, okay, well, I mean, can't get it all, right?
Usually. Not unless you're Tanner. Oh, we called the bottom again.
Yeah. And he will just wait and wait and wait till it actually goes to a losing trade to get that TP.
Yeah, I don't know how he does it.
I've seen it before.
Oh yeah, we all have.
He was he was live on ASFX, and it was like literally like a point away from his, and he's like, no, it's gonna get there, and then next you know it's heading lower. It's like, damn, stopped out. From like an $800 winner to like a $400 loser, something like that. And here I was thinking I couldn't take the short on the NQ because it's getting towards the low, and then it just ripped right through.
I'm gonna lock in 150 in profit on this gold short. Cutting it. All right, $200. Done and done.
Austin's taken 2 payouts in a row here on his live account, 2 days in a row. That's the nice thing about having the pre-live account. You can take payouts every day if you want.
Did not know that.
Tim said, did either of you catch a surge up on Asia last night? No, Tim, I wasn't trading last night. And then
I caught
I
a YM long in the pre-market, and then a short after New York opened.
Yeah. And Darren said, risk management and patience. That's the art of trading. Some intuition if you can learn when to cut or add, but that comes with time. Yeah, totally.
Yeah. I've been saying that for a couple days now.
It's been a couple days.
Couple days.
What's gold doing here? Gold's looking like it wants to take the low right now.
Yeah, I'd wait for a pullback on gold right now.
Yeah.
I'm not really all that big on taking those low of day shorts.
Yeah. I thought of ASFX were short off the New York VWAP now, or that bounce back up, they would have shorted New York textbook ASFX style trade. Yeah. There's a gap on gold down there from the Asia Open. Johan said. Get over to the 1 hour here. Oh yeah, I see that. Between 43.35 and 43.34, there's a gap. A gap of the 2 front teeth.
Just stick a Tic Tac up in there, you'll be fine. Yeah, I'm waiting for a gold pullback to 43.48. Otherwise, I'm not doing anything.
Trying to push down there now.
Yeah, there's just a lot of orders on the book right now above the current price, so I can't short it at low of day.
Yeah, it could just
When I
bounce here.
say, I'm saying that, and I'm probably going to miss a 20-point move on a gold contract, but yeah, okay.
Yeah, it's sitting at the low right now. If it pushes, another 2 points lower, it's going to close that gap.
There's
and then
a
it might
fair.
just bounce. Hey, there's Dad. Good morning, Dad.
Good morning.
Papa Roy.
Hey, what did I just say about the gold popping out?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, hit that low and bounced.
On the 1 minute, we got the first green candle in a little bit. And we're 11 points below where I want it to be. Or no, 9 points below where I want it to be to take a short.
And on gold, that's a lot of money.
A lot of money. I don't have that kind of stress management.
Yeah.
I'm okay with missing that one as it's going down.
Yeah. Is that the gold there? I tabbed away from the gold.
Yeah, gold's going down. Didn't get up to where I wanted it to enter a short. So
And it looks like it closed that gap now, didn't it? I think so. Yeah, it closed the gap. Still room to value area low if it wants to go lower, though. 43.22.
wow, I haven't looked at ES all day. It's still pushing lower.
Yeah, look at NQ too. NQ's right below previous day low. We never engaged that point of control yet on ES. There's a naked point of control down at 68.61. Gold bouncing a little bit. ES bouncing a little bit. NQ sort of holding a low here. We do have a bearish fair value gap right below the previous day low here on ES. What's YM doing right now? YM's bouncing up.
Of
Doing
course
the
it
exact opposite. YM's its own beast, man, for sure. What can you say?
Above both VWAPs now, had 2 retests of it, and it's still going up.
47 to 92 on that bounce. Kind of still stuck in this range, though. I wouldn't really be thinking it's, it's going to keep going higher. It might just play around in this price for a while. It's been playing around in this price for
For a little bit.
30 plus minutes. Pretty low volume on this last bounce also, although it's starting to take off a bit
Moving
here.
up. Looks like it's going to get to the top of that bearish fair value gap.
Yeah. That's midnight open, just above value area low. Oh, ES could have been a short there. I was looking at YM on the side chart and I missed that entry there. 68.87 in the bearish fair value gap. Now we're 10 points up already. 10 points lower. Shoot. Too many charts to look at.
Yeah. Focus. YM's pulling back a little bit.
Yeah. Yeah, we've been having decreasing volume on that last little pop there. So I was kind of like, doesn't look like it's going to continue much. Damn. ES, man. Missed that. Keep missing these shorts.
And gold looks like it's going to start going back down again, too.
Yeah.
Got a bunch of orders underneath it.
You only trade ES, then multiple crypto assets, Darren. Hey, yeah.
I like the idea of trading crypto, but that's it. I'm not good at it.
What is Bitcoin doing today? 89,550. It's up 825 on the day. 0.9394% gain.
All right. That sounds lovely. So on an $89,000 investment, or $88,000 investment, you would have made $800 in the day.
Yeah, it's 1% now, but yeah. Looks like it's bouncing right now.
That's not a 1% in a day. That's not bad.
The YM's popping. Getting some increasing volume now this time. That ES short would have worked out nicely, but now it's heading right back up into that position there. So BTC going up sideways while TradeFi dumps. TradeFi dumps.
No idea.
TradeFi. Kind of liking the long here, but on ES, but we didn't invert this fair value gap or anything yet.
Let's start looking at shorts on gold again now that these orders are coming off up above it, above its current price.
Traditional finance like stocks, bonds, and futures. Okay, gotcha. Traditional finance, gotcha. Short for traditional finance.
All right. I learned something new today. Thanks.
Wow, YM.
And a gold short. One mini, I just locked in $50.
Nice, there you go. Johan's shorting gold also.
Glad we're on the same page, Johan. It's locked in $100. Let this go for a little while. It's like both me and Johan got into that gold short at the right time.
Nice. Still going
Got
lower?
my stop loss in profit right now with no take profit on it.
Nice.
And there are 301 orders down at 43.21.
It's right where value area low is.
Yep, there's also 106 orders at 4,300 even. So I am just going to keep this stop loss exactly where it's at. And I'm going to go get some more tea.
Nice.
Come back and see if I made $1 million. I wouldn't have, but
Coffee pot's done. ES was trying to push lower there in the short, but bouncing here right at my entry price. Come on, boys. Let's see it. Let's see it get down to the 79s here. Bouncing again here. Looks like they want to try to go lower. They're trying. We got orders at 68.80 though. Oof. Bit of a bounce there. It stopped me out here, I think. Shit. Of course. Yeah, I just have my trades just don't seem to want to work out on ES or NQ. So annoying. So annoying.
Wow, I'm still in this gold short.
Yeah, no, coffee's finished, Johan. That was the coffee ending alarm. Get your last cup of hot coffee while you can.
I'm gonna lock in 150 on this gold short.
So YM erased the entire move lower. So Zach Boyajian's trade was right. His timing was just off. He just got in it too early, right?
Guy is a madman. I don't know how the hell they do that.
Well, I guess if you're risking a large chunk, then your profit take profit's probably that big or bigger.
Yeah. Looks like gold's going to start pulling down again. Well, according to Bookmap, anyway.
More orders below.
Yeah. Let's put another 50 orders down at 43.18. I'm still up $400 on this trade, so
Nice.
the most I can lose on it is positive 150.
Very nice. That's where you want to be. Gotta head out. Catch you on Monday. Have an amazing weekend. All right, Darren. Yeah, you too.
You do the same, Darren. This may stop me out before it goes lower.
Bouncing a bit there. Yeah, it seems like they're all kind of falling asleep at the moment, Johan. Funding Ticks has a rule where you got to hold your trade for 60 seconds.
Yeah, no thank you.
Yeah, no thanks. Doesn't mesh with my style of trading, that's for sure.
Nope. Absolutely not. So what do you think? Gold's going to go through the low a day again?
Let's see here. Starting to form a bit of a wick on this last 5 minute.
Mhm.
Heading back towards it. Still got a little room to value area low, which was 43.22. YM's getting a little bit of a pullback. Rejected off point of control.
And here's that gold push down again. Keep going down. Come on. Start messing with me.
Why I'm just hit value area low on the pullback and then bounced. You use the bathroom real quick. I'll be right back.
Do it. That's the move I was looking for. Locking in another 200. Want one more good push down here on gold. Looks like I'm getting that push. All right.
And I'm back. Is gold going?
Still going down.
Whoa.
Still in it. Locked in 350 total in profit. I'm up
Nice.
920 right now. And I'm just trying to be patient.
Trying to see if you can get some more out of it.
I mean, no matter what, I made 350 on this, so
Yeah.
I'm not complaining about it.
Right. Tim said, wow, I placed a short on NQ, got busy with a customer here at the store, came back just now, made 930.
Nice.
That's
That's awesome.
That's a great way to come back. Good thing it wasn't a negative 930 when you come back.
I'm sure he's got a stop loss in somewhere.
Yeah. You play stops and take profits. Okay. So your TP hit then, I guess. Obviously. Nice.
All right, I made my 350.
Okay, yeah, that was a pretty big bounce there, hey, on that last handle.
Yep.
Oh yeah, Tim trades fib levels. Nice job.
Another gold short here, locked in 20 bucks in profit. $70 in profit.
Nice.
And locked in 100. Took my 100. All right.
Very good.
It is now 11:39. I think I am done for the day.
Nice. That was an eval account I passed last week. Definitely getting closer to my first payout. Very good, Tim.
Good job.
Nice. Happy to be around for that.
I'd like to think that we helped. Ugh.
Well, I tried a short here on NQ. Might not work out for me. We kind of rejected on its bearish fair value gap, but it sort of started bouncing on me right away. 2 micros short. See if we can't get a little bit of a push lower here. We got orders down at 80 and at those, sorry.
Gold just shot up. Bottom for the day.
Got orders down at 360. Here we go. Starting to get a little bit of a push lower. Come on, boys. Don't stall out there. They're really trying to hold this level here, this 70s. Come on, take out those 60s. NQ. Uh-oh. Don't like that bounce. That was a big one. Come on, Bears. We got some orders at 65 now. They pushed it up a little bit higher. It was 60 before. Getting quite a bit of support in this area. Almost should just cut this the way it's bouncing on me here. Down 40, $35. Just don't want to cut it too early.
Looking at YM sitting in this bullish fair value gap.
Oh, I see that. Yeah. Come on, NQ. Oh, they keep moving those orders up. Now it was at 72. It was at 60, 65, now 72. Bouncing a bit. Maybe they're trapping shorts right now. Okay, those orders at 72 are gone. They took them off. Now it's down at 55. Come on, guys. Let's go. Let's break that lower. Looks like it wants to go lower. Just it can't seem to get it past this 60 area. 844. Starting a new 15-minute candle here in a minute. 30 seconds left on this candle.
YM just erased that bearish fair value gap.
Oh, yeah.
There's a lot of orders about 50 points below us, too. So I got a mini short.
Come on, NQ, go lower here. Help a brother
Mini
out.
short on YM. I just locked in $10 worth profit.
Not stopped out, but just locked in.
Just locked in.
Nice. Come
I
on,
want to
NQ,
see if
quit
these
playing
orders
around.
end up filling down at 340. I made $10
Okay.
minus my $2.50
Fees.
fee.
NQ just playing around here. Come on, let's go. Flush it. There we go. Starting to get a little bit more of a move here. Come on. It's trying to break the low there of that previous candle, and it just keeps kind of bouncing and holding this area here. Super battle here. And it's bouncing up here.
Get back into this YM short here in a second. And I'm in.
Freaking battle at this level right now. Jesus.
Yeah.
NQ just tons of volume coming through at this 60 level. Big buyer battle fight. Buyer seller battle, sorry.
Is that like a Dr. Seuss Tweedlebeetle battle?
Yeah.
And Tweedlebeetle's battle in a bottle on a poodle, and the poodle's eating noodles and something or other.
All right, starting to get a bit more lower here.
My YM short's working out for me. I'm not risking anything now. I got it at, $10.
Yeah, I'm locking in 10 points on NQ here. Don't bounce, don't bounce, don't bounce, don't bounce. Come on, guys. Go lower.
There we
Go
go.
lower.
Come on, push down. If we yell at it, it'll go down, right?
I hope so. I got stopped out on that bounce. Shit. Now it's going to go.
What were you short on?
NQ. Yeah, now it's going lower, of course. Yeah. Friggin'. Oh, Tim can't trade anymore today or else he'll mess up his consistency rule. Hey, well, that's a good problem. Right?
Not the worst thing to have happen.
Sounds like you just need to hit that lock it out button.
And I'm locking in $75 on my YM short. And I'm cutting it. 175 bucks. Off that bounce on the VWAP, I didn't want to hold it. We might just be making a higher low here. So.
Oh yeah. Right at that overnight view out there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, now of course NQ.
Oh, now it's. Hey,
it literally whipped me out to my exactly to my stop too.
Did it really?
Before it decided to go lower, yeah. Oh, that's frustrating.
Oh.
I mean, it was still a winning trade. I made $45, but it's just locked in 200 on ES. Nice, Johan.
Yeah.
So frustrating, man, when that happens. Those actually are the ones that are the worst for me. Is like when it stops you out to the tick and then goes, or within a point or whatever.
Yeah.
Those are the ones that give me the most frustration. So that's typically where I should probably lock my accounts, so I don't try to revenge trade a winning trade. Right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like, but it's true though. For myself, anyways, I've found that sometimes in the past where I've had that happen to me, it's like, well, I could have made 150, 200 bucks or whatever, but I only made 40. So I should, then your mind starts going, well, maybe if I just re-enter now, you can get it, and then of course it's going to turn around on you.
I mean, I've made that mistake, and it's bitten me in the ass.
Yeah, totally.
Tim, I have to work on where to place my stop. That to me is the hardest part of trading. Yeah, it is.
Yeah, it's seems to be my bane too during the New York Open trading. Typically NQ and ES, I often get stopped out within of not too much of the turning point of when it would have been back in the money or whatever.
Just trade without a stop loss and have your finger on the flatten button.
Yeah, I guess.
No, I'm kidding. Don't do that.
It's just when you get one of those Trump candles, that's when you're like, it doesn't matter how fast you click that button. It's too late.
You're getting smoked no matter what.
Yeah.
IM's trying to push down through New York VWAP now.
I see that, yeah. Sitting on previous day low. This could be a higher low if it holds that.
It could be. There are orders all over the place right now, but mostly below.
All right.
Got orders about 20 points below us. Printing a bearish fair value gap right now. Putting in a short on YM. Locking in 10 bucks. Made 10 bucks.
I saw it bounce there. I was like, oh, yeah.
Yep.
Lately, I've been putting it right above the previous 15-minute candle. Seems to be working better for me than trailing it after the next 15-minute candle prints. Okay, yeah. I'm usually not in trades that long myself, but I mean, I can see the idea behind that for sure.
Let's see why I'm pushed down towards these orders here.
Yeah, if you could take that New York VWAP with a little bit of momentum, I could see it definitely heading lower. We got that bullish fair value gap down at 48 232 to 48 270. So the top of it's at 270.
Yeah, it looks like it's bouncing off the VWAP though.
Yeah, it is. It's held it twice now, the last two candles.
Yep. Got a bearish fair value gap up above us right at the is that the overnight VWAP or is that New York? I can't tell.
Kind of stuck between the New York and the overnight VWAP there.
Yep. And just sitting in that channel, not being cooperative. You know what? I'm done.
Yeah.
I'm up like 16 grand for the day. I don't need to be doing this shit anymore.
Sofa FX, hey, how you doing? Good to see ya. Tim said, "Great job, sir."
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Now, what do I have now on the day here? I'm gonna export this trade because I did recover a little bit of that earlier loss. Let's see here.
Yeah, volume's dried up. Shit's starting to move sideways. I am done for the day.
Yeah, let's see here. Yeah, I'm up almost 1,300.
Damn, we both had a good day today.
Yeah, if only I didn't hit max daily loss on my top one futures 50K account. That's another 470 would have been up. Three losing trades in a row on that account.
Oh, that's not sexy. That's not sexy at all. Happy new tier. Here. Johan, 16,000. Yes, 16K.
16,000. Yes, Johan. It's always that much when you have 50 accounts. And you put in some good capital into your personal accounts too, didn't you?
Oh, yeah.
1,500, 2,000, 3,000?
For the day, I am up. $16,859. A couple of pennies.
What's that?
16,800. Oh, 16,800
On the day?
for the day. Yeah.
Nice. Almost 17,000 then. Crazy.
Yeah, but like you said, I mean, I'm trading 50 accounts. That's not huge wins. That's small wins. Just repeatedly.
Johan
And
said
across
Happy New Year,
50
Nick.
accounts.
Aha.
Oh yeah, this is my first day of the year trading.
Yeah.
All right. So I'm happy with those results for the first of the year.
Small
yeah,
wins,
Johan,
big money.
it is small wins, big money. What I say earlier, if you make $200 a day on 50 accounts, it's $10,000. You do that for 250 days a year, it's 2.5 million. It's pretty simple math, but you just have to make sure that you're average out at around $200 a day, which means keeping your stop losses extremely tight.
Johan, have to
Not
pass
going
my
into-
eval before. Yeah.
Yes, that you do. All right, Dave. Accounts
Yeah,
are
what
closed
time?
out. I will see you bright and early on Monday.
Sounds good.
I'm sure I'll get a notification that you're acting like a degenerate on Sunday evening.
You flamed it at the beginning of the week, Johan? Oh, you took a couple
Flambéed.
losses early on? Flambéed?
Oh. Somebody's a chef.
He's a website chef.
All right, Doc. I'll see you on Monday.
Hey, sounds good. All right, guys. I'm kind of leaning towards wrapping it up here also. NQ looking like it wants to go lower here at the moment. Minute and a half left on this candle. You're short on yes? Yeah, I could definitely see that rolling over. What do we got on the book map here? We got some orders down at 68.70 on a yes. YM's bouncing here, so it did find a support at the previous day low in the New York VWAP. Of course. Oh, you blew your account at there. Oh yeah, I think you mentioned that earlier. YM's pulling up to a bearish fair value gap. NQ still flirting with the lows. ES also down at the lows. What about our gold? How's gold looking here? Gold rejected off of a bearish fair value gap in the point of control, pulling back. There's a bullish fair value gap currently. So whole mixed bag of not a whole lot going on here. YM rejected off the 407 area, 400s. I left discipline outside. I'm short on gold too. Wow. Good luck. Don't go too crazy. Make sure you can manage all that. I'm assuming you probably have enough screens that you can keep it open on both or something. You have 3 screens? Nice. Yeah, I have 4. I got 1 on the left, 1 in the middle, 1 on the right, and then 1 up top. It's where I usually keep financial juice and then also a stream going on up there, whoever I'm watching at the time. On the left screen, I got usually ASFX or my stream if I'm trying to watch it there, and then I got the streaming software on the left. On the right is my trading view chart. On the middle is what you guys see. They're pretty big. I mean, I think my main screen is my smallest. It's like a 27, I think. And then I think the rest of them are, I got like a curved widescreen on the right, and then I think this one's like a 32 or something. And I have that one upright, the one on the left, and then the one on the very top is, I think it's also a 27. So my main one and my top screens are, I mean, a little bit smaller, not too small, but definitely have enough space for everything. Bouncing here on ES a little bit. Similar on NQ. NQ's bouncing here a little bit into this bearish fair value gap. Sort of held the lows. Stop by that big candle on ES, yeah. Okay. Yeah, it's quite a bounce. Oh, YM really ripped there too, hey? Woo! Wow. They're all popping pretty big right now. I think I'm bouncing around a little too much today. I should be just focusing on like one or two charts here. Keep missing the moves on the charts that I'm watching, looking for certain areas, and then when I look back, it's like, oh, well, there's that move that I was kind of looking at. Yeah, focus on one or two. I think it's better. Hmm. Well, hey guys, you know what? I think I'm just gonna wrap it up here. Don't want to be induced into any trade that I'm gonna take a loss on here. So had a pretty decent day overall. 1,300 roughly up on the day. Unfortunate that I took max daily loss in one of my funded accounts, but it happens. Try to have a goldfish memory, forget about that, and move on. But get my Lucid Direct account pretty close to a payout here, like $70 away from drawdown, and then so I'm basically 570 away from being able to take a payout in that. So that's pretty awesome. And have a great weekend to you also. Thanks, Johan, and it was good to see you. Tim, Sofa FX, we had who else did we have in here? Darren, and my dad was here earlier too, maybe still is. Keith locked out with a green win. Zara was here earlier. Luke. So yeah, thanks so much everybody. It was fun. Good to see you guys. Currently got 4 people in the YouTube and 3 in the X channels. So thank you everybody. Happy to hang out, and I'll be live again on Sunday, 6 p.m. East Coast time for the Comex Open. So hopefully we'll see you guys around then, and if not, we'll be live again on Monday. So take care everybody. Thanks again for hanging out, and hopefully everyone else is green also. Have a great day, have a great weekend. See you on Sunday. Goodbye.